Hey everyone, today we are playing our political dealings near a hub up against noise, which could be problematic. We are playing against phinx, who I think we've played before. I'm not very good at checking out names, but pretty sure we've seen him, or seen them, I should say, before. This hand is okay to a certain extent, but the agendas are bad. We're going to bleed accesses on one server. Yeah, I don't think we've enough here. This is better. Assassin is good. Pad is good. Sansan. Yeah. Breaking news is kind of whatever. Um, so let's go Pad. Astro is good. So let's go pop up on R&D. This on HQ, just to try and deter runs, hopefully. Maybe it should have been the other way around. In fact, now that I think about it, it almost certainly should have been. Although, we're going to get a credit here, so maybe things worked out exactly as necessary. Still one credit short of Assassin, but could be worse. In the run. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. That was confusing. You don't often see someone say fire to a pop-up window. Ooh, Jackson goes down. That is not good. But we're going to take out another credit, and now we can hit with Assassin if necessary. Take out cards. They have no programs, so unnecessary. Cyberdex is kind of whatever at the moment. They're going to trash it, obviously. And data cast. Okay, so we can res this, and ooh, things are getting worse. Oh dear, things have gotten so much worse. Well, we can res with Assassin if we need to, or we can hope that both Astros don't get picked off. It's going to be fine. They can try and get money to get there, or get money for Clot. Um, yeah, I think we don't res this and we just go as fast as possible. HQ could bleed out, but it may be a necessary evil. Oh dear. If he hits Explodapalooza, it's great. If he hits Astro, it's not great. If he hits Breaking News, it's okay. Or we could take out all three of his cards and trash Data Sucker. Doesn't end the run though. I'm just going to leave it through, and we're going to go for an Astro score next turn. Because either way, we get one. Oh my god. Lily Lockwell, the hero of the day. Alrighty, and we are going to push for this as fast as possible. Install into server 2, advance it, flip this, and score. So we can do nothing about HQ, but hopefully they'll be distracted by this, and they'll just go for that instead. Hopefully. Nope, they're drawing for answers instead. Okay. Peddler. Well, I think we try it anyway. If they hit us with this, we just stick down the Jackson instead. Easy peasy. We'll give them the window anyway, because Clot, is always an option. And Sensei Actors Union. A good card in its own right. So, pop that down. chill a little bit. If they don't do anything, we can advance token. Okay, advance and token. We could have advanced. Maybe I shouldn't have gone greedy, but there's a risk they would have popped this on us as well. So many agendas. Yeah, I think it's better to play safe. I mean, interesting. Imp. So imp or cash really have to come down. Otherwise this stays safe. But we have the token. And we have the win in hand as well. So not the end of the world, I think. Interesting. Yeah. Okay. And nothing we can do about this. Just have to keep the fingers crossed. Possibly put assassin in the wrong place. But money, money, money. I love that it's an optional ability. It's like, do you want to gain 5? It's like, nah, I have too much money. Don't know what to do with all this money. Wild side. So, question is, I think we just go for Beal. Let's res this just to see what happens. Draw 3 cards, add 1 to the bottom. Let's add one of the lilies, I suppose. Manage to draw, we have too many cards in hand. I think we just go for it. Remote, advance, advance, token. And we are going to be out the door before they can catch us. Let's chuck a Cyrex and I think the other lily, just in case. Can't get too confident. Breaking news could go, of course. Turntable could come down and ruin everything. They do have the imp, so you know HQ is a good push. But yeah, near hub. Still annoying. Parasite comes down and pop up, and they're going to go for HQ as well. So hopefully no breaking news. Jackson. So he's going to die. And yeah, that's okay. The win is in hand. Lose an Astro, but not the end of the world. We'll just do this. New remote, advance, advance, and score it. So, Near Hub does what it does. Again, we didn't get to show off the political dealings, things like that, but when you're going this quick, you gotta put foot to the floor. So I hope you all enjoyed. I will catch you again very soon with another game.